Alright, continuing on, we got 25. All factors of 4 over all factors of 1. 1, 2, and 4. Okay, I tried 1, and it worked. Minus 1, it worked. That's good enough. Now I've got a quadratic. 1x squared minus 4. There's no x, it's 0x, right? That factors, and you get plus or minus 2, not plus or minus 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And you get plus or minus 2, plus or minus 1. So there's your factor. Degree 5, we've got to find 3 factors. Knock it down 3 times. So we've got all factors of 24. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6, plus and minus. There's a lot of numbers to try. What I usually do is I plug in 1 to see if it works, and I also plug in minus 1 to see if it works. And I know minus 1 works, so that's why I tried minus 1. And then I tried a small number like 2, and it worked, and then I tried it again, and it worked a second time. Remember, if a number works once, it can also work again. Remember that one earlier that was x minus 2 to the third. 2 worked 3 times. Alright, so now you've got your quadratic here. It factors. It gives you all 5 zeros now, and that's what it breaks down to. 48. You've got this degree 4, and you break down all factors of 1 over all factors of 2 over all factors of 1, so you get 1 and 2. And I plugged 1 in here, and I knew that it worked, so I used it first. I tried 2. It clearly didn't work. I tried minus 2, and it worked. Notice, since I tried 2 with these new numbers, and it didn't work, I used the same new numbers with another 0. And once it works, I use the new numbers in my quadratic formula. So whenever a number works, you always want to take those new numbers and try them. If a number doesn't work, you don't use those new numbers because it didn't give you a remainder of 0. So you use quadratic formula and you get minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. And so here's your answer there. 57. You got all factors of 4 over all factors of 2. 1, 2, and 4 with 1, and 1/2. 2 over 2, 4 over 2. Well, 2 over 2 is just 1. We got that already. 4 over 2 is just 2. We got that already. So you only have 1/2 as well as 1, 2, and 4. I tried minus 1/2 and it worked. And now it's down to a quadratic with 2x squared minus x minus 8, or plus 8. Threw it in the quadratic formula and I got 2. And that's actually what's called a repeated 0. When you get this guy, the square root goes away with 0 underneath. You get a repeated 0, 2 and 2, with minus 1/2. And if you notice, our graph verifies that 2 is a repeated 0 because it bounces off it. Okay, 59. Degree 4. All factors of 8 over all factors of 1. So I tried minus 1. It worked. I tried 2. It worked. And there's your 1x squared minus 4x plus 4. That factors. That gives you 2 more zeros, and you have the other 2 already. There's your 4 zeros, or your 4 x-intercepts. You find your y-intercept by just plugging in 0. There's your end behavior. Plot a few more points, and you got it.